Hey guys, Miles here. Today's video is about the 5 best and easy investing apps you can use on either your phone or website in 2022. You know, some other videos I had seen on the internet, most of them are 2021 or 2020, old and outdated. I noticed that a lot of you watched the previous videos but didn't like the previous videos and neither subscribe. Probably you forgot, don't worry. I got you. This time you have the opportunity to like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's find out what the best investing apps are. Get ready guys. The 5 best investing apps are, I am starting off with the first one, Fidelity. Fidelity is very reliable and easy to use, and for beginners. They offer many account options, such as you can use retirement account, custodial account, and/or joint account, and more. That app is really for everyone. Everyone can use, advanced or beginner investor. I don't know what to do, I'm new. Don't worry. Fidelity perfectly matches to anyone. Fidelity has no hidden fees or commission from your investment. Really, it's free to use. More and more brokerages are free to use, unlikely in the past when they usually had to cost you fee. They have a great customer service, very efficient and quick to resolve, not waiting for the response in like 3 or 4 days. They are amazing and always ready to assist with your investment, finance, or other issues. Of course, there is a downside using Fidelity. The downside is they cost you 65 cents per option contract. You know, when you buy an option, there is a contract. If you have 5 contracts, they will cost you 65 cents each. Multiply 65 cents and 5 contracts. Actually, I'm not good at math, but you can calculate it. You know 65 cents multiply 5 contracts. Okay, let's move forward. Now I like the other one, Robinhood. I invest into their platform. There is one thing I love about Robinhood, their user-friendly design. Everyone, even a beginner, can learn on Robinhood. It's easy to use, you can buy and sell stock quickly. It's also easy to recognize the buttons on your phone because of their friendly design. A bit of good news about Robinhood is they are improving their customer service. Actually, for a while, they had a really terrible customer service. Their time response was long. Many people were very furious, until now they seem to improve a bit and expand the customer service staff. Last time, about 2 weeks ago, I contacted the customer service, and I got replied in a couple of days. I would say about 36 hours later. I could say they showed much improvement. They announced that they will have a crypto wallet available on their platform. For a while, Robinhood has been popular when it comes to crypto investing like Dogecoin. People invested into Robinhood crypto but realizing there was no crypto wallet. Until now, they want to add the wallet, and their plan is to make it available soon on February 2022. Once the crypto wallet is available to use, I assume Robinhood will be your excellent choice. I love Robinhood. Another thing I love about Robinhood is no commission or hidden fees. Everything, your investment, is free to use. No cost at all. Some other brokerages will probably cost you little like hidden fees, but at Robinhood, I repeat, everything is free. The downside of using Robinhood is, there is no custodial and retirement account. Robinhood offers few cryptocurrencies, not many unlike others that do offer many cryptocurrencies to invest in. While Robinhood is very limited with cryptocurrencies, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. I believe they are all Robinhood has. Again, very limited. I am still not sure if Robinhood plans to add more cryptocurrencies in the future. I still don't know. As of now, their crypto is very limited. They have yet to announce more cryptocurrencies. I know they plan to add the wallet, and it will come out soon. Okay, move on from Robinhood. Next is gonna be Weebull. The upside is they provide deep analytics and insights. You can review a stock's financial statement through WeBull. They have people who study a stock and then create analytical journal to say whatever a stock pick is good. Analytics on Weebull is beyond amazing. I love it, that app. Weebull is very reliable and useful too. They have so much features, such as widgets. You can play around with their amazing widgets. And also, Weebull has no commission or hidden fees. All there is yours and free to use. They provide a retirement account, unlikely Robinhood that do not offer one. You can use and take the advantage of that. The downside of Weebull is their advanced platform, not for beginners or newbies. For beginners who aren't sure, I recommend you not to use Weebull. Their advanced platform can confuse or complicate beginners. Their design is difficult to understand, you know what I mean. But that doesn't mean I say you can't use it. You the beginner still can check it out. You probably can pick it up or learn easily from there. Who knows? What else is next? TD Ameritrade. It's really a nice and likable platform. It's almost same with Fidelity. One cool thing about TD Ameritrade is their fantastic video tutorial, such as how to get started for the beginners. Most brokerages don't offer video tutorial. It's really nice for the beginners to learn through video tutorial. The downside is they cost you 65 cents per option contract, same with Fidelity. The other downside I'm seeing is not offering fractional shares. As you imagine, if a stock costs $100 and you buy $100, you will get one share of it. If you don't have $100, you only have $50. You can't buy a stock on TD Ameritrade. You need $100 to completely buy a share. TD Ameritrade can't divide it for you, unlikely most brokerages can do. Like if you buy $50 for a stock that costs $100, you will get a half share or 0.5 share. Not providing fractional shares is the huge downside. But if you still want to use TD Ameritrade, you can. That's fine. It doesn't necessarily mean bad because of no fractional shares, it's still good. But for me, I prefer fractional shares because I can buy it at any price I want. It doesn't have to be in an exact price like 1 share or 2 shares. The last one, SoFi. The biggest upside for SoFi is for the person who is like this. I am the beginner. I don't know what to do with stocks. I need help. Who can help me? If you are like this, then SoFi is perfect for you. It's for super beginners, and these people who just joined to the stocks world, and these people don't know what to do. SoFi is perfect because it has a RLBO advisor, an automated advisor guiding you to stocks related topic like how to buy or sell stocks. Plus you can meet a human financial advisor, one-to-one, on the app. You can also ask questions about your financial plan. SoFi has no commission or hidden fees. Everything there is free. The downside for SoFi is very limited account options and features as well. For some of you, who are experienced investors or know what to do with stocks, I recommend you not to use SoFi. You as an experienced investor can find a better brokerage that offers you more features. While SoFi comes with very limited features, you the experienced investor don't want to use SoFi. But for you the beginner, it's perfect. You can learn more about stocks on SoFi, get some experience, and then you can transfer to different brokerage. I want you to know that while I gave you the 5 best investing apps, I wasn't affiliated or paid by these apps to make this video. These 5 best apps were based on what I said. Actually, I have a referral link on this video's description, right under this video. You can see and click it. If you use my referral link, both of us get free stocks. If you sign up straight to a brokerage's website, we get none. I don't have all referral links to the 5 apps. I only have referral links to Robinhood and Weebull. Again, the 5 apps I mentioned. Does that mean there is the only best app? I'm not saying there is the only best app. All these apps are amazing, and obviously I shared this video that said the best investing apps because these apps are very great. All these apps have upsides and downsides. You look at these whatever match you best based on your preference and comfort. If you are not sure, you can sign up and try all the 5 apps. So you can take a look of them and see which match you best. Afterward, you can invest into one of those apps. Or you can invest into more than one app, maybe 3 apps. It's really up to you. I just wanted to share the 5 best investing apps for 2020, and then you can pick it for yourself. I hope my explanations on the 5 apps help you to decide whatever are the best investing app for you. It's up to you. Before you all go, don't ever forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more amazing contents like this. See you all soon in the next video.